Hello everyone, I'm Harshad Pawar from SAS Institute of Management Studies. So today my topic for business statistics is standard deviation. So what is the objective of standard deviation? Is to find the variance of dataset. Then variance. What is variance? Variance is the average square of deviations from the mean of set of data. It is used to find the standard deviation. So here it is a formula of variance. S is equal to under summation into x minus x bar square upon n minus 1. Variance. Find the mean of data. Hint, mean is the average. So add up the values and divide by the numbers of times. Subtract the mean from each value. The result is called deviation from the mean. Square each deviation of the mean. Find the sum of square deviation. Divide the total by the number of items. So formula of variance. The formula of variance includes the sigma notation, which is represented by the sum of all the items to the right side, right of the sigma. Mean is represented by population, and is the n is number of items. Standard deviation. Standard deviation shows the variation in the data. If the data is close together, the standard deviation will be small. If the data is spread out, the standard deviation will be large. Standard deviation is often denoted by the lowercase Greek letter sigma. So the bell curve, which represents the normal distributions of data, shows the standard deviation represents one standard deviation away from mean in either direction. The horizontal axis accounts for 68% of the data. Two standard deviations away from the mean accounts the roughly 95% of the data, which with three standard deviations representing about 99% of the data. So standard deviation, find the variance, find the mean of the data, subtract the mean and each value, square each deviations of the mean, find the sum of squares, divide the total by the number of items, take the square root of the variance. So standard deviation formula. The standard deviation formula can be represented using the sigma notations. Notice the standard deviation formula is the square root of the variance. So the maths test score of 5 students are 92, 88, 80, and 68 and 52. Find the mean. So after adding 92 plus 88 plus 80 plus 68 plus 52, divide by 5, we will get 76. 76 is the mean in the equation. Find the deviation from the mean. So we have to find the deviation. That means we have to minus it. So 92 minus 76 is equal to 16. 88 minus 76 is equal to 12. 80 minus 76 is equal to 4. 60 minus 76 is equal to minus 8. And 52 minus 76 is equal to minus 24. So we'll find the square root of each of the terms. So here are the square roots. Like for 16 is 256, 12 is 144, 4 is 16, 8 is 64, and 24 is 576. So when we will do total of these numbers, we'll get 1056. So we have to divide by the number of the data items, find the variance. So in this, 1056 divided by 5 is equal to 211.2. Then we have to find the square root of variance. That is square root of 211.2 is equal to 14.53. Thus the standard deviation of the test score is 14.53. Then summary. We have seen standard deviation means the dispersions of data. The greater the value of standard deviation, the further the data tend to disperse from the mean. Thank you so much for watching the video.